How to clear Gmail search history. Today I'm going to show you how to clear your Gmail search history on your phone quickly and easily, so let's get started. Whenever you search for emails inside Gmail, your recent search history gets saved. Clearing it helps protect your privacy, especially if you share your device. So what you need to do is open the Gmail app. Tap on the three horizontal bars at the top left corner of the screen and simply go to settings from there. Here, scroll down until you find General Settings. As you can see here, General. Now simply tap on Data Privacy. From there, you will find an option called Clear Search History. Simply tap on it. And that's it. Your Gmail search history is now deleted. If you want to go even deeper and clear your entire Google account activity, you can do it from your Google account settings by simply visiting myactivity.google.com. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.